we're working here in Hong Kong. Now we're waiting for our connecting flight to Osaka. This is the work area. Very nice yung setup here. The internet is impressive. Connecting flight to Osaka is at 1:30. Sa isang area na medyo cozy, no? Very nice the location. The seats are also ganda ng seats, oh. Lahat ng seats nila meron ng charging stations. Wala kang problema, to stay. Malinis, very clean. All seats, no? Functioning yung mga charging stations. So we're here at Hong Kong International Airport, no? Just in transit to our connecting flight to Osaka. Ganda ng facilities nila. Yung iba pwedeng matulog pa. Here. Ito mahaba yung lakaran here. So our gate is gate 23. No? Futuristic. Very nice. Futuristic yung airport nila. Very wide. Spacious. Ano to? What happened here? Ito yung mga work area nila. The tables are okay. Maabutan din natin to. The Philippines can catch up, hopefully. Yung Bulacan natin, I think may luma to, hopefully. Believer pa rin of the Filipino spirit. Ganda ng mga setup nila here. Ano ito? Oh. May free games sila. Ito. Ano ba ito? Okay.